Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to enable Wi-Fi HQ video uploads in X. If you're looking to enhance the quality of your uploaded videos, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Locate the account icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will give you access to your account settings. Step 2. Tap on Settings and Support. Within this section, find and tap on Settings and Privacy. These options allow you to manage various aspects of your X experience. Step 4. Now, tap on Data Usage. This section allows you to control how X utilizes data for different purposes. Step 5. Within the data usage settings, locate High-Quality Videos Uploads and tap on it. To ensure your videos are uploaded with the highest quality, select the option Wi-Fi Only. This setting ensures that videos are uploaded in high quality only when connected to a Wi-Fi network, helping you conserve mobile data while still delivering outstanding video resolution. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable Wi-Fi HQ video uploads in X, ensuring that your uploaded content shines with superior quality. Thank you for watching, and may your video uploads in X captivate your audience with exceptional clarity.